Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce the shortcut function of T8S and T8FB transmitter. Some people are concerned about misoperating the throttle joystick during operation. The shortcut function can be used to avoid it and ensure the safety, and how to set the shortcut and take T8S as an example. For T8S and T8FB transmitter, we need to use parameter adjustment app to set the parameters. You can download the app from RadioLink official site, and we can use iPhone, Android phone, and the computer to set the parameters. And I use iPhone in this tutorial, and I have downloaded parameter adjustment app on this iPhone. Here it is. Open it and click Collect. A list of devices will pop out. Select RadioLink. T8S will beep, and we need to press any one of the trim buttons. These are the trim buttons of T8S. Press it. The beeping stops and they are collected, and we can see the servo value on the app. Move the joystick. The servo value changes, which means the collection is successful. Then we can set the parameters of T8S on the app. Click Advanced. Throttle set. Here is shortcut function and mix. Set the mix from inhibit to off. And the throttle here means the throttle joystick trigger position for shortcut function. When the throttle joystick is below the trigger position here, the shortcut takes effect and enters the shortcut state. It defaults to 5%. To better show the function, I set it to 50%. SW means switch, and we need to set a switch to control shortcut. Switch A, switch B, and switch C can be selected. And this is switch A, and this is switch B, and this is switch C. And I select switch A. The position can be set to up, central, and down, and I select up, which means when switch A is pushed up, the shortcut function is activated. When switch A is pushed down or in the center position, the shortcut function is turned off. Click Right to save the modifications. The beeping sounds mean the settings are saved. And push switch A up. The shortcut function is turned on. Here is on. And push switch A down. The shortcut function is turned off. Here is off. And go to servo display. Switch A is pushed down. We can see the throttle works well. And there is no shortcut function. And push switch A up. The shortcut function is activated. The throttle can work when the throttle is above 50%. Once the throttle reaches below 50%, the throttle will not work because the shortcut takes effect. And I push the throttle stick below 50% trigger position. Now the throttle stick is below 50% position that we have just set, and we can see there is no response, no matter how you push the joystick. So the throttle is cut now. And you can also set the throttle to 100%. In this case, the throttle will not work once you push switch A up, and no matter what position the throttle joystick is in. And I set it to 100%. And click Right to save the modification. And go to servo display. Switch A is pushed down. We can see the throttle works well, and there is no shortcut function. And push switch A up. The shortcut function is activated, and no matter what position the throttle joystick is in, the throttle is cut. Here is rate for shortcut function. It is often used for fuel vehicle, like nitro vehicle, gasoline vehicles. And because the throttle channel is not connected to the ESC, but to the servo that controls damper, so the rate here relates to the servo value that you control the damper. The rate can be set from 0 to 100%. For example, I set it to 20%, and the servo value will change when the throttle cut takes effect. And click Write to save the modification. You can see the throttle trigger position is 100% and the rate is 20. And go to servo display and push switch A down. The throttle works well, and there is no throttle cut function. And push switch A up. The throttle cut function is turned on. At the same time, the servo value of this channel will be added based on the rate settings, which is not -100 but -80. You can adjust the rate according to your needs. So that's all about the throttle cut function of T8S and T8FB transmitter.